hilarious?
That's funny.
Oh, fine. Amy, ask Daddy if, say, Daddy, do you have a David?
Yeah, I do have one.
I know you have one. Can you ask Daddy if he has one? Say, Daddy, do you have a David? Just take my David. Fine, just take my David.
Mexican?
Okay. Can you say, Daddy, do you have a David?
Yeah, I do have one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do have.
Amy, you're hilarious.
Yeah.
Can you say hilarious?
No.
You did just a minute ago. It was hilarious. Amy, can you ask Daddy if he has a David?
That's funny.
That's funny. Okay, take my David.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. You giving it back?
Yeah, what's this one?
That one's Moses.
No, it's Jonah and the whale.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, that is Jonah and the whale. I was looking at the wrong one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to ask Daddy if he has Moses? Do I have Moses?
Empty.
Empty.
Which one?
Okay, say go fish. Go fish.
Let's go fish.
Right here, you grab one. That's fishing. Oh, what did you get?
Adam and Eve.
Adam and Eve, all right. Amy, do you have a Daniel?
Yeah, I do have.
You do? Where? Say go fish. Okay, oh, thank you. I got to go fish. Thank you.
Then you got to Jonah and the whale.
Yeah.